If you are not shopping for home decor at Walmart, you are doing yourself a huge disservice. They not only have home decor for literally every single design style, but it's all super affordable. I'm doing a traditional makeover, I'm doing a modern makeover, I'm doing a glam makeover. We're gonna unbox all of those items here today. I'm gonna show you what's new, what's hot, what's not, and we're gonna go through it all. Now this first box actually feels very, very light. That big box only had 2 items in it. So the first thing it had were this Better Home and Gardens Sage Citrus Incense. So you get 46 for the price. Ooh. Ooh. I love the smell of sage. I think it smells like really good, like chicken, but also Lux when it's mixed with the citrus. Because I like to put sage on my chicken, but it also doesn't just smell like food because we have the citrus, though you can eat citrus. Maybe I like it because of the food, whatever. I actually really do like their incense. You guys didn't like when I said that I like the smell of the Dollar Tree incense. I didn't say the Dollar Tree incense was good for you. I said I like the smell. But I've had my eyes on this lamp since it came out, so I'm excited to unbox it, if you will. It's by My Texas Home, so that's a collection they have at Walmart now. But this is like supposed to be like Kelly Wearstler. So I'm excited. Oh, they packed this well. They packed this like it was Christmas time and grandma said if you break the ornaments, you're getting coal under your tree. But look at this. Oh, that's cute. That's a little moment. Okay, does it tell me the price? So this is My Texas House. It's a table lamp. It's called the Hobnail Detail. So they have 2 versions of this lamp. They have the big size and the small size. I got the small size because I got this from my entryway. I like the shade. I'd probably swap it for like an Empire shade to like really elevate the look. But I think that this is so cute and quaint. There are no imperfections on this. And you guys saw, if you haven't seen my most recent Target haul video, click here to go watch that. But I was talking about how I felt like a lot of their collections had a few imperfections, but I'm not seeing that with the Walmart. And this is a very affordable lamp. I think it was like $34 or something like that, but I really like this. I can't wait to style this in my entryway. Now we're moving on to box number 2. I know box number 1 was kind of underwhelming, and box number 2 is sitting on this. I actually unboxed something before I started this video. I got this fluted side table from Walmart. It was $98. It took 10 minutes to assemble, which is like a gift from above. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's fluted. I love that I'm able to like buy in on the trends without breaking the bank. There's a lot of things in this one. Next, we have this vase. I cannot get over how well they package this. Do you guys, I always feel like packaging in a lot of places these days, they're like, you already bought it, I don't care if it's broken. But we have this vase here. So this is Dave and Jenny. I was just talking about Dave and Jenny, like they were my pals. I don't know them, but this nice wooden vase. Online, I thought this was small. Look, which one's a person? I love it. It is, I will say on the inside, you can see on the inside here, I wouldn't stick my hands in there because I'd get a splinter for sure. I should have bought tweezers with this, but I am very, very excited. This is a great way to add some earthiness to your space. Springtime is coming, and springtime is when everyone rolls out the videos, how to refresh your home for the spring. Look, I'm not trying to spend more money on spring decor. I'm not getting a springy sofa. I'm not. I'm not getting a springy coffee table. But I will infuse spring via small accents like this because it's affordable. So I love this. It's actually massive. I thought it was gonna be so small, or massive relative to what I expected. Let me not be dramatic here. Next, we have some faux flowers and the bowl, okay? My hopes aren't high for these faux flowers, but I will say that Walmart has really affordable faux flowers and they look way better than Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna give them that. But I got these, so this is faux baby's breath. You know what? I think that if you actually hide the stems in the vase, you have to bend it. But I think this will be a sleigh. I think it will. I really do think it will. Just because not every piece looks exactly the same. And I think this was like maybe a few dollars, maybe for this bunch, which I think is pretty decent. So if I had a few more of these and I cut them down to about, let me bend it. I don't ever cut my faux florals because I have commitment issues. So I will bend it. But if I bend it to about there and I had like a few more, I feel like that'd be cute. I think it is cute now. Actually, I'm gonna finesse it, but I think that's cute. I think it gives realistic enough. I personally can't keep anything alive, and baby's breath especially, I bring it home and it's dead immediately. Next, we have this wooden tray. Dave and Jenny, I need to become friends with Dave and Jenny because they know what's going on. They have this little tray. This is great. I actually got this to hold my incense in to store it, because I'm one of those people where like if I buy incense or like anything like this and I put it away, I forget about it. I suddenly don't have incense anymore. It doesn't matter if I just bought it, it's gone, it's disappeared. So I'm literally just going to take my incense. Ooh, this smells so good. This smells so good. Oh my God, it's, I'm not even being dramatic. I'm not even being dramatic. I'm just gonna take my incense and store it like this. And I don't care if this is not good for incense, because you guys normally tell me how to take care of things. If I don't see it, I don't have it. So it's this or nothing. It's this or nothing. Oh my God. I just wanna tape my nose to this tray because it looks good and it smells good. Obsessed. Dave and Jenny, you know what you're doing. Better Homes and Gardens always kills it with the scents. Target, I'm not Target. Oh! I was cheating on Walmart for a second there. Walmart has some of the best scents in the game, in my opinion, for the price. I'm gonna go to Walmart before I'm gonna go to a Yankee Candle. Next, we have a vase. I don't even remember ordering this. Okay, I've had this vase before. I had the small version. I didn't know that there were versions. I ordered the small version and it was like this big and I was like, what do you want me to do with this? But this is decent. I told you guys, home decor ASMR, this is Mainstays. Mainstays, that's how I furnished my entire first apartment. My apartment in Philadelphia when I was in college, Mainstays. Had the Mainstays futon, had the Mainstays dining table. It got me through. And I loved it. It was a sleigh. So I love this. I will say there is a tiny chip in the ceramic, but this could not have been more than $10. So for the price, I'll take it. And if you buy it in the store, it's not gonna be chipped. But this is great. You can also throw your baby's breath in here too. Again, perfect height as well, though I do think that the wooden one looks a little bit more high end. But I'm not really upset either way. And now we've got some pillows. So like I said, if you want to refresh something for the spring, I love getting pillows. So I actually got these ones. These are throw pillows with a BHG ivory arches. It's 100% cotton. And dare I say there's down in here? It's feeling pretty soft. It is. All right, let's open her up. This pillow comes in like 4 different colors, and honestly, they all look the same to me. So I was like, okay. You might be kidding. Okay, no, this is down alternative. But it's giving. It has like a slower recoil. It's really nice and soft. Like, that's it. I'd want to take a nap on this. Okay, Walmart, yeah, it's down alternative because I opened it up, you can see that. But I think this is cute. I got these for the chairs that I'm sitting in. I got other pillows to go with it. The other pillows are not here yet, and so they're not gonna be in the haul. But look how cute this is. This is a really nice textile. It kind of reminds me of like a West Elm or something a little bit more boho, but don't be afraid to shop different design styles because this is cute and I think it's gonna pair really well with the accent chairs here in my living room. And I did get 2 of them. So here is the other one, also in wonderful condition. And again, I don't think these were more than $20. For a pillow cover and a pillow insert, that's unheard of these days. That's normally like $79.95, and then you gotta pay for shipping, and then you might as well just not have a pillow. And the last item, home decor item, is a candle. So they have amazing incense, like I said, but I also wanted to get a candle. This is also a citrus candle. Can you tell that I have a preference? This is a citrus green floral amber moss and wood scent notes candle by Better Homes and Gardens. This is the quintessential bathroom candle. Like, it's giving fresh, it's giving clean, it's giving I'm not dirty anymore. It's giving I relieve myself, it's giving I wanna go on a beach vacation, but I also wanna save my money, so I'm gonna buy a candle that smells like it. I love this, I think this is amazing. Again, they make really good candles. Do I love the blue color? No. So I'm actually gonna probably take it and put it in another container. So I like to buy ceramic containers to put something like this in. If you got the smaller version, you could literally like get the small version and put a candle in like a vase or something like that. That's one of my favorite hacks, but this is so good. It smells amazing. And I love that the label's only on one side, so if you don't want to look at the label, you just turn it around and no one has to know. And I'm also a Walmart grocery store girly. Like that's where I prefer to get my groceries if I feel like driving out there. I live in Pittsburgh, Pittsburgh, and like all the Walmarts are kind of on the periphery of the city, so I do have to drive out there. But I'm gonna go to Walmart and get my food and my home decor and my clothes, and I actually will be unboxing some fashion here today. So the first item we have is actually this 2-piece set from Scoop. So from my understanding, Scoop is like a designer brand that is now like, they now have a collection with Walmart. I've actually bought some of their dresses before for vacation, gotten tons of compliments on them. But it is this top, and then it has a little t-shirt bandeau sort of situation on the inside, and I got it in this green color because this is so nice and cute for spring. Plissé has also been trending a big time online, so I got these wonderful plissé pants. These are so soft. I feel like when I get plissé from like other places, it feels kind of like aluminum foil. Even though it looks cute, but this feels so nice and luxe. They're called the Scoop Crinkle Knit Wide Leg Pant, but they feel so nice and soft and super luxe, and they don't feel like aluminum foil. They actually just feel like cotton, which is a plus. I got this cute little No Boundaries top. I got it in XXL because No Boundaries I think is for teens. I certainly am not that, but it is this cute little knit sweater. I think it's giving spring. It's giving boho spring. I wanted shoes that kind of reminded me of like those Hermes slides that are taking the world by storm. I'm not paying for that, so I wanted something reminiscent, so I found these. These are like a raffia material. They're comfort foam performance insoles. I got them in a 10. I think that these are pretty cute. I'm going on vacation soon, and they give kind of vacation to me, and they have some studding on the sides, and the sole is really nice and soft, so I'm excited to try on these outfits. But stop slipping on Walmart because they have some really incredible home decor. You just need to know where to look, and here's a place to look. So if you enjoyed today's haul, you want to see more from Walmart, let me know down in the comments. I'm about to do a huge kitchen organization using Walmart products, do some more lighting stuff using Walmart products, so be sure to subscribe so that you can stay tuned for that. I've linked everything I picked up today down below, and I have an entire Walmart storefront for you to shop if you need some more inspiration from Walmart. But thank you so much for watching today's unboxing. The boxes were massive, but there weren't too many things, but still, I had a blast. I appreciate you being here, and until next time, have a beautiful day.